Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's car is this special one from Carrera, a Mercedes 300 SEL. This is a bit of a departure for me because I bought this one new. I was after the red one, but that appears to be digital only and also goes for inflated price, whereas this one, and I think there's a yellow one as well, which are analog, were on sale from Gaugemaster for, I think it was 32 or 35 quid with free postage. Where they've got any left, I've no idea. Whereas the red one appeared to be sort of 80, 90, which I don't pay that. In fact, it's very rare I buy a new one. So this one is a brand new car. And as you can see, it's the Mercedes 300 SEL, 6.3 litre AMG, number 11 in silver and black. Just have a look round the case. Nice on the rear there. It's got the usual paperwork in there and a change of guides to get it running on Scale Electric's track, which I've already done. Put the red one in. Yeah, I wanted one of these since I first saw them talked about online, and I did actually want the red one, but I didn't realise at the time it was, as far as I can tell anyway, only digital, and I have no clue how to convert one of them back to analog. But still, all the same, this is a nicely appointed car. I think this has working lights, nice body catches there. Does have the Mercedes sign, which I'll certainly be trying not to snap off. A little bit of silver paint flecks there on the red of the radiator. Nice looking wheels. Yeah, I don't think you can say it looks as good as the red one because it doesn't. I mean, the red one's got a lot more stickers on it for a start. Anyway, nice wipers. See the driver in there and what looks like a fire extinguisher next to him. See if we can get a look in at the dash. Oh, it's got the old walnut dash. Can't be bad. Got to have the walnut dash, haven't you? Nice boot catches and the golden coloured exhaust. Let's take it right off. This is it's another screw. There must be a better way of doing this than these bloody screws. And these ones aren't captive either, so it's gone on the floor. Anyway, there she is. Yeah, it looks like a fire extinguisher there. And I say a walnut dash. I'm not sure what that is on the top of the dashboard there. Is it one of those really old radios? See if we can get in there a bit better. I'll try and move the light about. Does that help? Oh yeah, you can see all the dials there as well. That is going a bit above and beyond, don't you think? I mean, I've had to move my light around and be very careful and zoom in to even see that, but it is appreciated. But yeah, so it is a nice looking car. I'd say it was, I think, less than half the price of the red one from Gaugemaster. Sometimes it pays to look at these people you don't think would sell these cars. I mean, I got some good ones from Rails of Sheffield, the Model Centre TMC. It's got the roll cage in there. Yeah, nice. Right, let's stick that on the scales. $117. It does feel heavier, and it is what, good 30-40 grams heavier than the normal ones I've been doing, or the recent ones anyway. 117 grams. It feels a bit chunky. Let's just have a look on the bottom. Tyres look okay. It's amazing how dusty these are straight from the box, you know. Although obviously I've had it out to change the guide, but I've not run this yet and it's still bloody dusty. Right, let's give it a bit of a magnet test. I've not tried a Carrera car before, so I don't know how they are for magnets. I can't quite pick it up, but that might be because the car's a little bit heavier. Yeah, don't think I want to be doing that. Anyway, there's the magnet further back actually than some of them. Right in line with the rear wheels. Bit of an optical illusion going on there with those wheels that make them look slightly conical, but I think that's just the way the light's shining on them. Yeah, so that's a bit of a beauty. We'll get that upstairs, give that a run round, and I'll report back in a minute. See you in a mo. Right, that's the Merc done. That's a quick one, that one. Starts off, it feels slow and lumbery, a bit like the Thunderbird's car. I think it's probably the biggest car I got apart from the Thunderbird's car. It just felt slow and lumbery, but as it warmed up, and I got more used to it as well, it just got quicker and quicker until it ended up being the first car that we've tested so far anyway to get under 5 seconds. I did 60 something laps, 67 laps, and only had one D slot the whole time. I had a couple of slow laps where my finger was starting to get cramp, or where I was adjusting the settings on the hand throttle, but yeah, I could pushed it as much as I could to get it under 5, but pretty consistent between 4.8 and 5.2. Yeah, once it gets its speed up and a bit of momentum, it's really nice. Rolls into corners nicely. Obviously the magnets stick it down, but yeah, that's a good one. I like that. Anyway, we'll have a look at the lap table. As usual, I can't remember where the button is. There we go, track record, straight in at the top. By a reasonably significant margin, I think. What is the difference? 0.165 of a second. I'm not sure I could squeeze anything else out of that Escort to catch that up. Probably could get a bit more out of the Mustang, but anyway, it's not about going back. That's what I tried to do. That was the best I did at the time. So there we are. That's the new leader for the time being. I think that deserves another quick look. And there he is, the Carrera Mercedes 300 SEL, 6.3 litre, a chunky beastie, but pretty quick once you get going. Yeah, considering it was at the most 35 quid, I mean that's cheaper than anything Scale Electric doing it, I think, new anyway. Yeah, there it is. So I'll leave you with a look at the new leader, and we'll see you in the next one, see what we're going to do next. Cheers for now, bye.